Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh. Today we'll be talking about Toncoin, looking at its AI-based forecast as well its retirement model. Let's get started on the indicators on the website. The link of the website is on the bottom of your screen. This is the crypto TLDR, looks at the top news over the last 24 hours, classifies them into bearish, bullish, or neutral using machine learning. One of the bearish narrative related to Bitcoin is a support level flipping into a resistance. Then the bullish news is related to Bitcoin is institutional investors piling in on BTC, and then Bitcoin's ascent into a ultimate asset. And then early stage altcoins launching and one meme coin related news. So those are all the major narratives of the last 24 hours. Coming to the peak value, which is our composite risk score developed in-house to normalize the risk reward at any point in time for the crypto market. The key idea being when the risk levels are in red territory, it's a good idea to dollar cost average out of the market, whereas when the uh, color codes are blue or green like they were in early part of 2023 as well as middle uh, of 2022. That's the key idea when to enter in the market. And this is calculated by using several risk related um, factors such as volatility, alpha, and risk adjusted returns, that is Sharpe ratio, and then percent drawdown. And it provides one single metric to quantify all of the riskiness in the market, provides the investors with risk return reward at any phase um, in the market cycle, and also color codes. The key idea is that when the risk score is in yellow, that is a neutral territory. uh, that territory is between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.4 risk. We went in May of 2024, sorry, March of 2024, middle of March of 2024. The risk levels went as high as 0.38 at one point, but now the risk levels have gone down to 0.25. They went to as low as 0.229 on May 14th. If this risk levels were to decline further more than 0. To the point of zero point 0.2, that's when, personally speaking, any dip buying or any DCing um, strategy starts looking more attractive. But this is also a good indicator to know when the um, when there is a topping pattern in the crypto market, or whereas if there is a bottoming pattern in the market based on the historical risk. This considers top 100 cryptos individually. And then looking at the narratives which are popular over the last 7 days, this is also running look back of what is attractive right now. The bullish sentiment has returned back. The size of this word cloud was low over the last 2 weeks. Meme coins are also gaining some popularity. Bitcoin definitely the biggest narrative in the market. Some of the altcoins such as Solana, as well as I think I saw a few others on this. Uh, for example, Cardano over here, XRP, and then Hedera are featuring on this list. That means, and one more major crypto, Ethereum and Chainlink. So these are some of the cryptos that people are discussing a lot on YouTube and X. This is a natural language processing AI and machine learning based word cloud that gets updated, looks at data or content related to crypto over the last 7 days, and it gets updated every single day. So if you are interested to know what is happening in the market, what narratives are gaining popularity, you can subscribe to the channel. So give this video a like to stay updated on day by day the popular narratives, as well as updates to the risk levels and much more, such as AI based forecasts, sentiment analysis, and also one of the new releases related to 7 gems in the market and heat map. Today we'll talk about the heat map in a brief. uh, Over the last 24 hours, the performance for some of the cryptos, Sui has been doing great, followed by Injective, followed by Phantom. Over the last 7 days, Phantom has been the winner, followed by Link and Solana. Over the last 30 days and 90 days, it's all Arweave. You can see Toncoin, the coin that we're going to discuss today, it has taken number two spot. Its growth over the last 90 days has been almost 200%. Although over the last some of the key periods, such as 7 days, it has not done that great. You can and over the last 24 hours, it's kind of in the top half of good or decent performers. And over the last 30 days, it's been again in the top half as well. So we analyzed all of this and came up with the crypto of the day. No surprises. Arweave, uh, with a decent 90-day performance and 30-day performance, has come out on the top. Nonetheless, today's video is about Toncoin, and it's still one of the top 10 cryptos over here. You can see this is rankings by market cap on coin market cap, and its current price is at around $6.40, market cap slightly above 22 billion. So looking at Toncoin over here, our AI based forecast, which we had created back middle of March of 2024, almost two months ago. And at that time, the price of Toncoin was at around $4, slightly less than that. We had forecasted, this is our AI based forecast, the base case ceiling or the bull case ceiling, which is more important right now, because Toncoin has been growing a lot, as we saw the 200% rally over the last 90 days. Um, at this week, which will end in May 26th, the AI based forecast that we had created back in March for Toncoin was at around $6.92. The current price for Toncoin is around $6.39. So definitely our AI based algorithms work when the market stays either bullish, bearish, or neutral. So the case is when your own hypothesis is that for this particular crypto is in bull mode, then the more importance is in this bull zone in the green color. If you feel that the crypto is in its downtrend, and then you would like to know what is the theoretical floor, then you're looking at this red line over here. So going forward, per our AI based model, if the crypto has its bull phase from now till about middle of August of 2024, the price could be between $7 and $10 for ton coin, and this is again a one standard deviation based forecast. And the model that we used for this one is an ARIMA LSTM, and combination of LSTM, ARIMA, and XGBoost related machine learning algorithms. We trained this the price of Toncoin, or the weekly price of Toncoin, since its launch at around August of 2021, and looked at the base case scenario, which for now would provide some support from between $4.50 and about $5.50. And then came with the AI based forecast in the bull case for Toncoin with between $7 and $10. This is again one standard deviation accuracy. I expect it to hold unless crypto goes back into full bullish mode, where one standard deviation, which is about 70%, peaks get challenged. I'll explain how. So over here you can see that on our regression analysis, I'll just get rid of the other bands, the 2 and 3 band. So this is the one standard deviation regression band wrapped around our base polynomial function in pink for Toncoin. What happens if the market, let's say for example, between February 2024, when the price was at around $2, and let's say early April 2024, so less than 2 months, if the market is hyper bullish and the crypto, such as like for example here over here Toncoin participates decently in the rally, at times the one standard deviation peaks um, are not the top. The price goes slightly higher than that, but um, I haven't seen it go to two standard deviation peak unless we are in post halving year for Bitcoin, or very mania phase for crypto, which is not the current scenario for cryptocurrency market as a whole, and definitely not for major cryptos which are not seeing any two standard deviation peaks. Nonetheless, the key levels to watch now that we are conducting this analysis, the fair value of our polynomial regression function is at around $5.86. The price is slightly above this. This means that based on our regression analysis, Toncoin is definitely slightly above its fair value. The secondary or the first standard deviation peak at this point is at around $8.38. So that would be a key level to watch. Again, these levels go up or down with time based on our polynomial regression function, and the two standard deviation peak for Toncoin at this point is at around $12. So that's the regression based analysis for Toncoin. We covered AI based forecast. Now we will briefly look at its potential as a retirement vehicle. This is our compound annualized growth rate, or CAGR based model. So we consider three cases: the conservative case at 8% growth for Toncoin year over year, the realistic case at 15%, and the optimistic case at 22% year over year growth. Today, the price of Toncoin is at around $6.38 or 39 cents. If let's say Toncoin makes it to 2040 and continues to grow as I just hover over here at 8%, the price of Toncoin could be at around $20. So this is again really conservative, considering most of the major stock indexes have grown by about more than 10% over the last decade. So in terms of the number of Toncoins required to be a millionaire, that is having 1 million net worth in Toncoin in 2040 would be at around 49,000, slightly less than 50,000. Today that number is about 156,000 Toncoins, and again this is just one random number, 1 million. If you believe that you need only a tenth of that, you can, in Toncoin, you can divide these number of tokens by 10. If you think that half of that is like for 500k is a good target for you, then divide everything uh, by 2 instead of 10. So in case you're looking at a base case, which is like the most realistic scenario for a crypto, if that crypto were to be a relevant crypto 15 years from now, a 15% growth rate from now till 2040 would get Toncoin's price somewhere between 50 and $55, $52 precisely, and the number of Toncoins at that point in time to be a millionaire would be less than 20,000. And you can check this for each year. This is not just 1 year analysis. For each year, we have the number of um, cryptos or Toncoins needed to be a millionaire, as well as the price for Toncoin at any point in time. In case Toncoin grows at 22%, and these 8%, 15% are not, and 22% are not randomly selected, they are Bitcoin's compound annual CAGRs between the last 15 years. At Bitcoin grew at around 45%, so we divided that number by 2 for our optimistic case, by 3 for our realistic case, so that gets you around 15%, and 1/5 of that is at around 8%, which is our bear case or conservative case. So let's say Toncoin manages to stick around till 2040 and grows at 22%, then the price of Toncoin could be at around 100, between 125 and 130 USD. And in that case, the number of Toncoins for reaching that 1 million status in 2040, that number is at around 8,000 Toncoin, will get you there, considering it stays alive and grows at around 22%. So again, none of this content is financial advice. We analyze and come up with these models using historical prices, our own inputs, and machine learning and AI based strategies. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.